The spring piece small bag because the bag in the bottom corner of the pinch angle treatment, so the bag space is large, can put more items. The three-dimensional effect of the package is increased, and the production of the package is simple and easy to operate. First of all, make a template according to the drawing. Use the template to cut 2 pieces of surface cloth and lining cloth, and 2 pieces of adhesive lining, 2 pieces of spring plate mouth cloth, and 1 spring sheet. Iron the adhesive lining. Sew the bottom corner. Both ends of the spring sheet are folded, ironed and stitched. The front and back pieces clamp the mouth cloth in the middle and fix the suture with a bead needle. The 2 pieces are fixed with a bead needle and stitched, leaving an opening at the bottom of the lining. Turn over to the front and iron the seam, split seam, so that the sides of the flap are not too thick after turning over to the front. Turn the cover cloth and lining cloth to the front and iron. Insert the spring plate at the mouth of the bag. The spring sheet bag is finished.